Put Vaseline on your feet and see what happens. You need to know this trick. I will show you what happens when you dare to put Vaseline on your feet. Few people know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that when you know it, you will thank me forever. Vaseline is a derivative of oil that, due to its multiple uses, is currently used in the world of beauty and cosmetics. But before I show you what it is for to put it on your feet, I will tell you some other uses that you can give Vaseline and that I am sure you will love to know. Number 1. Make the perfume last longer. The sweat and porosity of the skin causes the perfume to lose its essence after a few hours. To prolong the duration of your favorite essence, just rub a little Vaseline in the area where you will use it and then spray the perfume. You will notice that it will last much longer. Number 2. Loosen the jammed zippers. After washing the clothes, the zippers tend to get hard, making it difficult to move them. When this happens to you, you just have to put a little Vaseline on the teeth of the zipper and it will begin to loosen little by little. Then it slides as usual. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Flavio Valencia from Ecuador and for Juana Vargas from Spain. Number 3. Moisturize dry lips. If the weather has dried your lips, there is nothing better for this than using Vaseline. Rub a little on your lips using your fingers, and after a few minutes, you will notice the difference. Number 4. Renew the shine to the leather. Over time, the leather loses its color and elegance. If you have shoes, wallets, or other leather items, the Vaseline will completely restore it. Just apply it in the opaque area and then rub it with a towel. It will look like new. Number 5. Soften the locks. Over time, the lock and padlock entrance tends to rust and become rustic on the inside, making it more difficult to turn the key and open the lock on the door. This can be solved with Vaseline. With the help of your fingers, rub a little on the key. Then put and take out the key several times until it softens. You will notice that it will be easier to turn the key. Since you know several uses that can be given to Vaseline, it is time to tell you what it is for to put it on your feet. Believe it or not, Vaseline can be your best ally when it comes to treating with dry and callous feet, and this is because it is an excellent moisturizer. Before going to bed, apply a little Vaseline to the dry areas and then rub it with your fingers. The next day, you will notice that they will be very soft.